Alright guys, we're out here with the Vitus again. We're gonna try another flight. We're waiting for the exception to go away first, and then we'll get going. It says 9 satellites. Okay, so now it says connected. Let me check the map. Okay, it's loading in the map. It's a little breezy, but we'll survive it. Just gusting every once in a while. For the most part, it seems pretty calm, but it gusts a little bit, so but hell with it. Let's just take off and let's just do it, man. Let me start the video. What I noticed about this camera, it seems to be like it freaks out with them wobbling and all that crap whenever it's windy. That's what it seemed like to me, where it does all that wobbling and shaking. If you fly it like into the wind. It's pretty stiff right now. There's a gust coming up. If I turn it into the gust right there, so if we wanted to measure that lake, going across that lake there, so I'm almost all the way across. So it's like from where I'm standing down here on the driveway of the lake, all the way across there, you're looking at like 700 feet or something. That lake is filling up really nice now. So there's me. So that's as far as I've taken it so far. That was what, 700 and something, almost 800 feet. I don't think the range on this thing is much more than 1,000 feet. I think that's going to be topping that thing out. It's going to be like that 1,000 feet. There's a big buzzard over there looking. I can see him. See if I see him with the drone. No, I don't. I don't see him up there myself anymore. Maybe he was just snooping around, who knows. But the video issue seems to be worked out now. The issue with the jiggly gimbal. So I think that's going to be a thing of the past. I think I got that calibrated to the point to where it's going to be okay now. So I just wanted to bring it out and shoot and go like as far as I could go, where it would start breaking up and stuff. And that was about it, about whatever that was there, about 780. Now I'll take it out more than that if I go down here to the other side of the lake. But yeah, it was okay. It did okay. 1,000 feet is about as much as you're going to get out of this thing, I can tell you that. Because it's a Wi-Fi deal, you know, so it is what it is, man. Wow. I like the way this thing lands. It doesn't do all that horse shit around. It just lands. Okay, like the bebops. I'm gonna cut the video. All right. So hey, did okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.